Hello there, the Aging Gamer with you, and this is DIY with Tag. As I mentioned, I'm the Aging Gamer. That's my name on YouTube and Twitch, as you see below here. You can follow me at the Aging Gamer on YouTube. So you can call me Tag for short. About to take you through a DIY video. So I hope it helps. Hope it saves you some money. But two very important things before we start. One is always do your research, and two is be safe. So do those two things before you embark on any of these projects that you see. But I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it helps you out. And if it does, hit that subscribe button for me up top. If you have more questions or how-tos, hit me in the comments down below. I look forward to seeing y'all in more videos.
Alright, Tag family, another project to come at you with today. This one is on our deck, and my wife and I kind of wanted some privacy with our neighbors just being on the other side of this trellis here. And so I was thinking what can we do? So what I did was built the trellises, as you can see, but also the planter box along the bottom. So you'll see this is a planter box all across through here. On top of railing, exactly like that. Just built the planter box, lined it with some plastic, filled her up with dirt, and now we've got some climbing plants. In the last couple years, we've got some beans going, some cucamelons, which are amazing if you haven't tried them, and those will climb. You also see we did put some fake greenery back there just to fill it all in. But that's a look at another project you can do on your deck if you just want some privacy fencing, or if you would like to have some planter boxes, you know, along the bottom edge of one part or another of your patio or your deck. So there you go, another project, Tag family. Leave any questions or comments below the video. Hit the subscribe if you like what you're seeing. We'll have many more videos coming. And I am again, I'm the Aging Gamer. Appreciate all of you checking me out.